All right, here we are. There's Ava. Are you having, what are you eating? What is it, Ava? Hello. Is it German pancakes?
Yeah.
Yeah. And here's Livia. She's enjoying her food. There's Mama.
Is it yummy?
Is that for me?
Yeah. They look kind of hot, aren't they?
Hey, that's Papa's. He's stinker. Are you gonna eat Papa's? I'm gonna eat yours then. Hello.
I turned it over, Papa. Papa,
Yes, Ava?
I turned this over.
Did you turn it over?
Yeah.
Aww. Almost a pound, Henry.
Yeah.
11 inches. Nice
Are those good? Do you like those? She's an eating machine, this one.
Me too.
You too? Are you an eating machine?
Yeah. I'm eating, yeah.